Well, welcome. We are going to see the future plans with the will or going to or be going to. Uh, what is the difference? When I use will, I I speak or talk about future plans, far plans, and time, uh, maybe uh, after years, or maybe any thinking about a plan that I have. Uh, Instead, be going to is a near future, nearest future. For example, on my next vacation, I'm going to stay a nice hotel in Paris. Yeah, but I speak or I talk uh, because I have the tickets, I have the um, I have the all about the trip. There is a future plan that is it's real, nor is thinking. Yeah, yeah. I use will. Uh, I'll buy you a drink. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next week, next month. Uh, don't have uh, a specific date. Yeah. Well, uh, well, we let's see this explanation. Ricardo Alejandro Franco, licenciatura en inglés, going to for the teacher Alfonso Scapari. October, oh, it's a big mistake. October 2019. Yeah, let's see. We're going to one of the most common formats to talk about the future is be going to. In the following presentation, it is possible to observe its uses, forms, and examples. Oh, yes, the keywords, the, the V, the V verb in all the forms in first person, second person, and third person. We use be going to talk about the future. It's a prediction based on what we know or think is going to happen very soon. We gotta talk about our plans for the future. Um, let's see. For the grammatic structure, positive part, subject plus to verb. It depends of first person, second person, or third person. Am is are plus going to plus infinitive. For example, I'm going to study. Let's see, negative form. Subject plus be verb and is are plus the particular not. Negative form plus going to and infinitive. For example, he isn't going to play. And for a question, interrogative form. Let's see. Am, to be verb, subject, going to, plus infinitive. For example, are they going home? Um, we can say this expression for future expressions. Um, I can use these words soon, next, the day after tomorrow, whatever. No, I'm going to do something. I have already decided to do it. Examples. There's a film on TV night. Tonight. Are you going to watch it? No, I'm tired. I'm going to bed early. He decided to go to bed early tonight. It's a decision. You can also say something is going to happen in the future. Example. Look at that black cloud. It's going to rain. It's a prediction. Thank you so much.